This video will help you register online to vote in Minnesota. Please go to the District of Minnesota's voter registration information page. Find the Register Online link and click it. To use the online voter registration form, you will need an email address and either a current Minnesota photo ID number, like a license or state ID, or your social security number. If you don't have these, you will need to use a paper application available at mnvotes.org or at your local city hall or county government office. On the first page, read the 3 questions and select your answers. When done, click Next to confirm you are eligible to register to vote. On the next page, fill in your name, indicate if you have changed your name since you last registered to vote, and enter your birth date. Enter your contact information. We recommend entering both email and phone numbers so the elections office can contact you if needed. Enter your state ID number or the last 4 digits of your social security number, then select Next. Please enter your zip code. If you don't know your zip code, click the box to find it with your county and city, then click Go. Enter your house or building number only in the first box. Find the name of your street in the drop-down menu in the third box. If your residence has an apartment or unit number, select the box and complete the fields that appear. Select Next. Review the address information and answer the questions that appear. Select Next again when done. Read and review the statements below. If they are correct, check the box, type your name, and click Submit. Typing your name is a legally binding signature. You are done. Please review the confirmation page. You should receive a confirmation email within 14 days.